Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. It is so cold down here. I'm wearing my pajamas and I figured why not make a nice hot bowl of oatmeal for breakfast this morning. And January is National Oatmeal Month, so we're going to make cinnamon and spice oatmeal. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And it's going to be full of fall spices. And it will warm up your soul. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my maple and brown sugar oatmeal recipe and my previous video, key lime pound cake. I'll post the link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pot, your cinnamon, and your oatmeal sugar, because we're about to cook some cinnamon and spice oatmeal magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in our liquids. 2 cups of water. And 2 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, our milk and water has came to a boil. So now we're going to add in our spices, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And our oatmeal. We're going to add in 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oatmeal. Give this a quick stir until well combined. So now we're going to cut the heat down to medium. And we're going to let it cook uncovered for 5 minutes. Alrighty, my friends. This is what our oatmeal look like. Perfect. Ain't nothing like the smell of oatmeal cooking. And I can smell the cinnamon and the pumpkin pie spice. Alrighty, there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. A half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And stir this in. So now we're going to cover the pot. And we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, our oatmeal is ready to serve. So then I'll fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, I have fixed me up a bowl. And this is the part right here where you add in your flavorings. I'm going to sprinkle on some brown sugar. Or you could add on some maple syrup. You can also add in some butter or pecans, whatever your heart desire. And I'm going to stir that in. I'm also going to add on a sprinkling of ground cinnamon. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Cinnamon and spice oatmeal. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Smooth and creamy. And I can taste the cinnamon and the pumpkin pie spice. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cinnamon and spice oatmeal-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.